Hey, that's me, Aaliyah, 10-year resident of Montpelier, Vermont. It's a pretty cool place, pretty nice town, very scenic, great place for pictures. If you're a nature buff, real great place for you. Yeah, I like to spend my time just hanging out with friends, the friends that I've made here. It's a great place to meet friends. Everyone's pretty nice around here. Yeah, I really love that about Vermont. But the absolute best, unbeatable thing to do in Vermont is definitely getting a pole and hitting one of the many lakes that Vermont has to offer. I'm really fortunate to be here in a place that provides so much for the activity that I love. And yeah, fishing is just great. Vermont fishing is just great. And this wouldn't be a Vermont film without some mention of maple, of course. In this case, it's maple ice cream from Meadow Mart right here in Montpelier, Vermont. They've got this nice maple dust too that really accentuates the maple. But yeah, in conclusion, Vermont's such a sick state, such a sick place to grow up, and I'm really thankful for that.